Hello everyone, in today's class we will see some important theorems of chapter 8 quadrilaterals. Already we have seen what is quadrilateral, what are the different types of quadrilateral. Before going to the theorems, we will give some exercise to our brain. It will be based on the quadrilateral and different types of quadrilateral. Just I will show you a picture. It is a picture of a city made up of quadrilateral. There were many quadrilaterals, many different types of quadrilaterals, each and everything, small things also, many quadrilaterals will be there. You have to just see the picture and find out as many quadrilaterals you can. At the same time, you have to say the type of the quadrilateral also. If you are finding out any one quadrilateral in any one place, you have to say the type of the quadrilateral also. Are you ready? Just look into this picture deeply and find out the quadrilaterals. You have to tell me the type also. Everywhere, even in the patterns, window, designs, curtains, many are there. Just try to find out all. Can you see the trapezium? Very good, good. Very good children. Many are doing very well. Super. Find out faster, even faster. You have to find out the answers as fast as you can. Very good children. Super. Good. A big claps for those who have done very well. Almost all have done. Only few were saying slowly. No problem. Just practice more. The more you practice, the better you get. Don't worry. Just keep practicing. Okay. We'll go to the topic quadrilaterals. We have already seen the introduction part. We'll just see a recap quickly so that it will be easy to want to the topic. Quadrilateral, it is nothing but a four-sided closed figure. Parallelogram, any quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel, equal as well as parallel is called the parallelogram. And rectangle, a parallelogram with all angles equal to 90 degree. Rhombus, a parallelogram with all sides equal is called a rhombus. The most important is square. Usually we will say square means all sides are equal. Here we have a different definition. A rectangle with all sides equal is called a square. A rhombus with all angles equal to 90 degrees is called a square. A quadrilateral with all sides equal and angles equal to 90 degrees is called a square. Here we have to check the angle also. If all sides are equal, it will be a rhombus. That angle should be 90 degree. That is also important. Okay. We'll see our property. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. It's nothing but sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Let's see this through activity so that it will be easy for you to understand. Angle sum property of a triangle. We all know what is angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We'll use this to find out the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. I have taken a triangle here. Angles A, B and C. I am just going to cut out the angles. I am going to place this over this semicircular portion. Angle A, angle B, angle C. I am just going to take out these angles. I am going to place it in this semicircular region. I am just arranging it. It is not compulsory to arrange it in a order. What is the angle in a semicircle? 180 degree. Or if you consider it as a protractor, 180 degree. Or as a straight line, see over there, straight line. That is also 180 degree. We can arrange the angles in any order. It is not compulsory to arrange in the same order. Whatever order we want, we can arrange. All will result in the same 180 degree. It will form a straight line over here, straight angle, that is 180 degree. So, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We are clear with this. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us take this angles and we will keep it back in the original position. So again we will see this. How many triangles I have here? Only one triangle. So angle sum property, that is sum of the angles of one triangle. For one triangle 180 degree. If it is for two triangle, 180 plus 180, which is nothing but 360 degree. So sum of the angles of two triangles is 360 degree. 180 plus 180. Now just I am going to arrange or join these two triangles. Just see this. What I got? I got a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. So it is a quadrilateral. If we divide a quadrilateral diagonally, we will get 2 pieces. The 2 pieces will be 2 triangles. So triangle 1, triangle 2. Sum of angles of one triangle is 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Therefore, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Clear, children? Is there any doubt? Shall we go to the next topic? Let's start our theorem. Our first theorem. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into 2 congruent triangles. Just now we have seen the diagonal of the parallelogram or any quadrilateral will divide it into 2 triangles. We have to check whether it is congruent or not. Okay. Let's see this through a activity. Okay. Here I have taken a parallelogram. I am just going to divide it diagonally. We all know what is diagonal. This is diagonal. And it is not compulsory to divide in this way. This is also diagonal. We can divide it this way or that way. It's our wish. We are just going to divide this parallelogram diagonally. So we will get 2 triangles. We are getting 2 triangles. Now we have to check whether they are congruent or not. Let's place them one above the other. We'll check whether it fits exactly or not. See, it is fitting exactly. Just covers completely. Just looks like a single triangle, but actually it's 2. They are identical. So these 2 triangles are congruent. Is that clear, children? These 2 triangles are congruent. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into 2 congruent triangles. Clear? Any doubt? Understood? Okay. Now just close your eyes, children. Everyone, please close your eyes. Very good. Always follow this 20-20-20 rule to reduce the effects of digital eye strain. Just close your eyes. Give rest to it. Now when I am saying just to open your eyes, don't look into the screen. Look at something 20 feet away. Are you ready? Now open your eyes. Don't look into the screen. Just look at something, anything 20 feet away. Now blink your eyes 20 times continuously. Blink your eyes. Okay, very good. Please do repeat this every 20 minutes so that your eyes will be safe. Okay, we'll go to our topic now. Now come back, look into the screen. Very good. Okay. Next theorem, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides will be equal. That we know, but we will see this through a activity. The converse part of the same theorem is, if each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. If we don't know whether it is a parallelogram or not, how we can check? We can measure the opposite sides. Then if it is equal, it is a parallelogram. If it is not equal, it is not a parallelogram. We'll just see this through a activity. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. I have taken a parallelogram here. We'll check the opposite sides. What are opposite sides? These two are called opposite sides. We have to check each pair. These two are also called as opposite sides. We have to measure the length and we have to check whether they are equal or not. I am just taking a ruler, measuring. I am getting 19 centimeter here. The same thing I have to get here also. Then only it will be a parallelogram. See here. Here also I am getting 19 centimeter. 19, 19. They are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Similarly, we will check this pair also. I am just measuring here. I am getting 11 centimeter. Here also 11 centimeter. So opposite sides are equal. What is the converse part? If opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Understood? Just converse. Clear? Next theorem. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. The converse part is, if in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. If we know it is a parallelogram, then its opposite sides will be equal. If we don't know whether it is a parallelogram or not, we can check the angles. If opposite angles are equal, then we can confirm that it is a parallelogram. Let's see this through an activity. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. I have taken a parallelogram here. I know it is a parallelogram. So I am just going to measure the opposite angles. I am going to check whether the opposite angles are equal or not. I have taken a protractor. I am measuring 110 degree. This angle measures 110 degree. The same way I am going to measure its opposite angle. Placing the protractor. Here also I am getting 110 degree. Here also I am getting 110 degree. So what happened? The opposite angles are equal. Similar way, we will check the other pair also. These opposite angles are equal. We will check the other pair also. We will check now. I am getting 70 degree. The same thing I have to get here also. Otherwise it will not be a parallelogram. We will check it. What I am getting? 70 degree. Same. Opposite angles are equal. Here also opposite angles are equal. The converse part is, if each pair of opposite angles are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Is that clear? Any doubt? Okay. We will see the theorem one by one once again. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Any doubt? Is that clear? The next theorem. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. The converse of this is, if each pair of opposite sides of a parallelogram is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Next, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. The converse is, if in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Now it's your work. Try to do this yourself. You have to find out any quadrilateral in your daily life. Either it may be a kite or a pattern in your house or any robot. You can make a simple robot like this. Okay. Just find out anything, any quadrilateral, and check this theorem. Measure it using protractor and ruler and check whether it is a parallelogram or not. Okay. Okay children, thank you. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.